You'll never be confident unless you face this one brutal truth. And if you ignore it, you'll spend your entire life pretending, faking smiles, wishing for courage, but always feeling like a fraud. So let's cut the lies. Let's get real. Confidence isn't about clothes. It's not about money. It's not even about how people see you. Confidence is about one thing: your relationship with yourself. Here's the harsh truth. You don't lack confidence. You lack self-respect. Think about it. How can you respect yourself when you constantly break promises to yourself? How can you feel powerful when you know you've been running from the hard things your whole life? Every time you say, "I'll start tomorrow," every time you avoid discomfort, every time you hide instead of speak up, it remembers. And that memory builds a story. A story that says, you're weak. You don't follow through. You can't trust yourself. That's why no matter how many motivational videos you watch, you still don't feel confident. Because deep down, you know you've been lying to yourself. Confidence is not built by positive affirmations. It's not built by standing in front of the mirror saying, "I am strong." Confidence is built through evidence. The evidence that proves you can trust yourself. So here's the 2 actionable shifts to do to build your confidence right now. 1. Stop chasing confidence. Start chasing self-respect. If you say you'll wake up at 6 a.m., do it. If you say you'll hit the gym, go. If you say you'll speak up in that meeting, do so. It doesn't have to be big. It just has to be real. Because every small win rewrites your story. 2. Stop running from discomfort. Confidence is forged in fire. And that fire is uncomfortable. Think about the people you admire. They are not confident because life was easy. They are confident because they faced the pain you keep avoiding. They stood on stage shaking, voice trembling, and still spoke. They faced rejection, humiliation, failure, and they didn't hide. They walked into the gym out of shape, embarrassed, and still trained. So tell me, how will you ever be confident if you keep running from the very things that would make you grow? Here's the raw truth. You'll never be confident until you stop betraying yourself. You stop hiding from the pain that could set you free. You face the fire instead of running from it. So today, make a promise. Not a wish. Not a fantasy. A promise you'll keep. Face one thing you've been avoiding. One thing that scares you. Do it. No excuses. Because every time you face fear, you kill weakness. And every time you keep your word, you build respect. And when you respect yourself, confidence stops being something you fake. It becomes who you are. So don't just scroll away. Don't just nod and agree. Take action. Prove to yourself today that you can be trusted. And if this hit you hard, smash that like button. Subscribe for more no fluff, straight to the point videos. And share this with someone who needs to hear it.